We are on our way to CASA SEAT. So I took the kids from school and we are ready to enjoy CASA SEAT. It is during the day. Obviously, it is better to have this experience by night, but during the night or the evening, there are lots of people, and we like to enjoy when the place is not so overcrowded. Damian, are you happy?
Yeah,
Say, I'm happy.
I'm happy.
And you? Are you happy?
Happy.
I really love it. Very beautiful. A little bit of magic in Barcelona, in a sunny Barcelona, and the desire is to stay somewhere at the North Pole and to see these kinds of things, magic things, like sending letters to Santa Claus, to see elves preparing and wrapping the presents for kids. Love these kind of magic places where you feel like a kid again. Now we are going to the -1 floor. So at the -1st floor, there are activities for kids and like these beautiful Christmas trees. Then there are also play games and some crafting games. Mark did a star. Show us your star, Mark. Very beautiful star crafting with crafting games. I think that this is the most pleasant moment for our kids because they enjoy playing, and here is a great opportunity for them to play. Since this week they don't have access to the video games, and they are happy they have something during this week. And here are the letters for the Santa Claus. So cute. Chicos, ¿qué hacéis aquí?
Escribí.
¿Qué estáis escribiendo? ¿Vuestros deseos?
Bueno,
So nice. Here we have the station for the Christmas wishes for Santa, and our kids are writing down their wishes. Look how nice. So cute. Here are the craft activities that I mentioned earlier. Mark just saw someone from here was bringing new papers, and look how nice. You can create your toy from paper only.
Sí, has cogido las dos.
Very nice job, Mark. If you're coming here, take care to to be less dressed because it is really warm inside, and I just have all the coats of the kids here with me. Todo me encanta. Okay, we are on the third floor. We are on the second floor, sorry, because on the first floor we were there where we just entered, then we were at -1 and now at 1. El trineo de SEAT, ¿sí? Mira qué trineo. On weekends there is also Santa Claus, and you can the Santa Claus is sitting there where Mark is sitting now, and the kids are coming and send their wishes to North Pole. Our experience at Casa SEAT was a marvelous one. I invite you that if you are coming to Barcelona, that you don't miss this opportunity to come here with your kids. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to like this video. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching, and till the next time, bye!